Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You can see what I got in my hand here. These are Renegade polarized glasses designed by the great Fletcher Stryok. I got these from Walmart for about 15 bucks. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys, man, a little cheat code. These polarized glasses, man, it's a huge thing. I've been fishing for about 2 years now. Every single day I learn more and more and more. I start to meet new people, start getting out on the water a lot more. I'm going to be hooking you guys up on the GoPro. I'll see if I can put the lens behind the GoPro or behind the camera to see the difference between fishing without and with the glasses. I got about 5 different new baits I'm going to be using. Actually 3. You guys know I love the Googan baits. Crack and crawl, bandito bug, of course. Yeah, let's get it going. Alright guys, so I went out to Academy and grabbed a few things. Alabama crawl, crack and crawl, of course. The Bama bug color, bandito bug. I have an underspin. I went ahead and bought these Raid swimmers, designed by Strike King. Those are going to be pretty juicy. H2O Express, a nice little pumpkin seed sunfish imitation on there. It's going to be pretty juicy. I think I'm going to start with this. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys that I had the Zoom trick worm and I'm actually going to put on the shaky head, so we're going to try that as well. Oh my god, guys, I see bass moving already. It's like an imitation of a dead green sunfish, if I'm not mistaken. And I tried to hook the glasses up to see how it looks behind the GoPro or the camera, and yeah, it's not working that well. I'm hooked up. Let's go. That is a nice bass, guys. That is a nice fish. This guy. Epic. Beautiful fish. Y'all notice I turned the camera off real quick. The cops came, unfortunately. I'm not even sure if I could even fish at that pond I was at. I didn't see any signs, but I actually see a bass right now in front of me. So I'm gonna hook you guys up on the GoPro, and we're gonna get at it right here. I'm actually gonna see how this trick worm looks. That bass is right here in front of me, guys. I'm sitting on that bed protecting it. Oh, come on, buddy. Ugh. at that fish, guys. Probably about a pound. Does he bite? I'm not gonna do nothing, buddy. I know it's a log down here, I believe. Alright guys, got another one right here. The GoPro actually died on me, so do a little edit off of here. But it's my last fish of the day. I've been trying to catch this fish literally for almost an hour off the bed. I know I look funny with these glasses on, but I literally been trying to catch this fish for 45 minutes to an hour, protecting this bed, and tied the drop shot on, and he slammed it. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. Like I said, man, these glasses by Renegade, these things, man, I saw literally at least 6 feet deep in the water. It helped a lot with my visibility, definitely. Like I say, 15 bucks, man, Walmart. Go ahead and invest. I'm gonna let this thing go. Catch some Chasz. I'll catch y'all next time. This is day 2 of my sight fishing journey. I've been seeing a lot of guys on FishBrain. If y'all know the app, use the app FishBrain. It's like social media for anglers, local to big time pro anglers. I've been seeing a lot of guys actually catch fish on swim baits in the spring, which I find myself complicated for me. I'm like a master with, the crawls, bottom fishing basically. But I think today, man, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try to master using these swim baits, but I'm still gonna sight fish. If I see something on the bed, I'm pulling out the crawl. But for starters, I'm definitely gonna use the chatterbait and the Strike King Rage Swimmer. I just got off work, so I'm kind of tired. Don't want to spend too much time, being out. Got to get up in the morning, so you know how that is. But hope y'all staying safe, man, through this whole coronavirus epidemic. Hope all y'all safe, man. I'll catch y'all by the water. That fish is right here. Got him, got him, got him. I saw him, guys. He was right in front of me. Right in front of me. I saw that bass, guys, sitting right in front of me. Protecting his bed. It's a nice little fella. These guys, man, they're aggressive, man. I put on the Googan bait cracking crawl. See what happened. I know I caught it on the GoPro. I know the GoPro died as soon as I was reeling this thing in. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful little fish. Y'all can see. Still out here sight fishing. My Renegade's on. I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing go. So you definitely don't want to release bass where you caught the first one. So this thing go right here. There we go. Peaceful in these chaotic times. And yeah, y'all see me with these masks on, man. I hope, Y'all are wearing these when y'all out in public, man. This is a real deal. Kind of, as I breathe, that's pretty cool. Has a little dust filter on it. That's a little dust filter designed by Living Guard. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. Like I said, man, these glasses right here, it takes that glare from that sun off of that water, and it allows you to see. I mean, I saw at least 5 or 6 feet deep in the water with these things, man. Definitely worth the money. There's expensive ones. There's, ones like I say, these are $15 at Walmart. Definitely affordable. Definitely worth the investment, guys. This is a cheat code to bass fishing. Not even bass fishing, just fishing overall. These things, man, are freaking awesome. This is Chasz and Chasz, and I thank you guys for watching.